Wax up Wednesday, everybody. I hope you are doing good. I certainly am. Yep, same old song and dance TCAA season. That's what I call it. July's crunch time. Got a couple weeks left where I have to be done, and away we go. Got some exciting things happening, but before I tell you about all that stuff, I kind of want to show you what I'm doing. Inspiration, creativity may be one of the hardest things and most exciting things about being in the TCAA. You're asked, demanded, required, encouraged, pushed, prodded, poked, and you get the opportunity to build the three best things you've ever made in your entire life. Well, got the old Roadrunner done. Man, did it. Cool. Enjoyed it. Now I got to do something else. Times was bad this year. Not getting to do as many as I usually do, but all right, I'm a bit and spur maker, did a bit, so let's do a pair of spurs. Man, I gotta tell y'all, the inspiration was tough. I was having a hard time figuring out what I was gonna do. But I thought, you know what? I did the dragon tail spurs a while back. Man, that was really cool. So that's kind of where my inspiration stopped. I was like, I'm gonna do some dragon tails. I think it's cool, and we'll go from there, and then we'll figure out the silver. So I was hee-hawing around, struggling and thinking, like, what's the subject matter? What are we gonna do? And I said, let's fall back to a good old faithful that I know I love to do, and let's do some scroll overlay, filigree overlay in silver, soldered on, and see if we can't twist it up and have some fun. So away we went. Oh, also, I got to show you what I did with the rowel. Twisted the rowel. Rowel's always on a place of spurs that you can kind of change and evolve and do some different things. So I'll show it to you first. So here it is. It's got these cute little points on the end of it, little wicker bill things. And I thought, that's kind of cool. And then can y'all see the little, so you got the center hole there, and then I got all these little circles around, and I'd never had done anything like that. And then filing it, I didn't want just like a facet edge right up here, like you normally see me do, like a triangle or a diamond shape. If you look at it like this, looks like a diamond. I kind of wanted it round. So did a little filing around, but I like the facet look here on the center part, so that when it fits in the spur, here's the spur. Let's get down here. So then you can see, you can see the little facets right there around where the center will go and all that. But as a twist, that's fun. Did some rounding up here at the top of it, kind of put a little, it curves down like that. Bordered it, and then made me a little bigger button, did a little fancier hinge there. Twisted that stuff up. Now, here we are. And I got the twisting and I got the pulling. So you see the top spur. That was kind of my original drawing, and I was going to do the TCAA logo. See it intertwined in there? See the TCAA logo right there? I was going to do it in gold, like you see there. And I'm going to do some things that our silversmith friends, Mark Drain, Scott Hardy, Bo Compton, they do all the time. They over and under these guys. So it's, instead of it just being one piece of silver or something, it's actually multiple pieces, and these things, they actually go over and under, and getting all that soldered on, well, that's going to be a challenge, but here we go. Well, then I'm thinking, well, that TCAA would look good if it was gold. I think I said that a while ago. So I thought, here we go. Let's put that in gold, and then we'll do the roses. Hey, let's do the roses in gold. Well, I went to order gold a while ago, and I remembered the options, do a different color gold. And those aren't exactly roses. Those, I said roses. They're not roses. They're flowers. I'm not good at knowing flowers, but I think that looks like some kind of flower, whatever the name is. But I thought, man, let's do rose-colored gold, man, and do a little contrast. So here we go. That's the deal. I'm excited about that. A couple things is stacking that gold up there. It's going to create some visual impact and something different, and that's the purpose of my shows. Do something different, things that I've never done before, and visually never done before. And maybe the skill set is the same, but to accomplish the design, but do something that adds some interest and spark that you've never done. And so stacking this gold like that in the different colors and intertwining things over and under, that's going to be exciting. Speaking of TCAA show, me and Ernie gonna do an engraving workshop. sign up with Gretchen at the National Cowboy Museum. If you want more information on that, check their website, the National Cowboy Museum's website. I think you can check the TCAA's website, or call me, and I will give you the info. If you send me a message here on the social media, if y'all have probably guessed, I'm not real good at checking the messages. There's so dang many different forms to contact me by, it's hard for me to concentrate on. The phone works. Call me, email me, I'll get those. Email or send a text or give me a call, and I can give you more info, and we'll go get you signed up if you're interested in engraving. It'd be good having Ernie and I, and we'll see what all goes on. Another good thing is I have a bit workshop in September. Don't forget about that. Sign up now. That is getting close. Got a few signed up. Need some more, but it is going to happen. And if you're interested in the bits, well, there we go. Probably not going to be doing as many workshops next year. Going to cut it back a little bit. The business model seems to be changing and evolving, and there's a lot of opportunity for you guys to see and participate in knowledge. If you haven't noticed the advertisement for the bit and spur seminar that Matt Humphreys and Troy Flaharty did last year in Matt's shop in Spur, Texas, then there you go. Dickens. Can't remember if it's Spur or Dickens. I'm sorry, Matt. But anyhow, up in the Panhandle. Going to do that again. That's in September. That's the last weekend in September that's going to happen. So that's a good thing. And then, oh yeah, Patreon's rocking and rolling. So you can have the 24/7 platform of education, and sit in your underwear on the couch with your first cup of coffee and watch videos. And Ernie Marsh has got one. Kerry Schwartz has one. If y'all are interested, Saddle Makers, y'all watching this. Those are great ways to educate and learn and get included into the maker shop and see what's going on. So I'm signed up for Ernie's. It's cool watching Ernie's stuff. It's very enlightening. So anyhow, I hope all is well. Lots going on. If you got any questions about any of this stuff, call me. Come to the TCA show. Love to see you there. It's an exciting time, and this stuff looks good in pictures, but it's always better to see it in person. So if you got any questions about anything, give me a holler, and we'll see you next week. Adios.